Alright guys, welcome back to the Hand-Tight Racing channel. In today's video, we're going to be turning Alex's stock GT into a drift car in just a couple of minutes. How you feeling?
Excited.
You excited?
Yeah.
Look at all that angle, guys. That's that FDF right there. Just kidding. FDF is still in the box.
All stock arms and everything with rack limiters removed. This is all the angle I get out of the car. So, FDF, hopefully, give me a lot more. And,
Yeah. I think we're going to have to change wheels.
Yeah. Definitely
I don't think those are going to work. This is Alex's 2-valve. Previously, Tyler's.
Yes, previously.
Crazy story. This used to be Tyler's car in high school. Alex bought it from him a while back. It's pretty simple. But by the end of the day, this thing's gonna be a seat time shredder. We're gonna get rid of all this booty suspension. Got some FDF stuff there, some goodies.
BC's here.
Paired with the BC coilovers.
With the 12Ks in the front.
That's right. Alright.
I'm excited.
Let's build a seat time shredder.
Yeah, let's do it.
Alright guys, so we're going to be working on the rear first due to simplicity reasons. We don't have to change out any of the control arms or anything. It's just a pretty straightforward coilover install. So we're going to be doing that first. Let's get this rolling. We'll get these shocks taken off. We're going to need that pole jack.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so we got the springs in here, we got the shocks all mounted up. We're going to teach you guys how to properly preload a solid axle. Pretty easy. Just compress the springs 10 millimeters, adjust the shock so you can fit it back into the mount. It's good to go.
Don't hit your head on the car like I just did.
You just kind of got to walk these springs in because they don't fit quite right. because Ford did a weird design on this lower control arm deal. Alright, hold on. Keep going. Move this.
You can move that other side. That way, don't fine.
Alright, hold that. So as you can see here, oh, that's Alex.
Hi. Wrong one. There you go.
Shut up. We have no preload on that spring. It's just kind of snug in there. Got a tape measure?
Tape measure.
So our spring, right now, completely decompressed, is about 7 1/4. See if we got the same measurement on this side. Yeah, 7 1/4. So crank up on it until we get to 7.
Oh, you're past that.
Huh? Hold on. Yeah, that should be right there. We're gonna check that up just to make sure. Should be about the same. Make sure you're 7?
Yeah.
Okay. You got your small spanner wrench?
Yeah, there. What about it? Yeah.
Oh wait. Just come up on it a little bit.
I was gonna say that should be just about right.
Yeah.
Oh, that's the wrong way.
Alright guys, so as you can see, we're done with the rear. Real easy, real quick like. Yep, that's pretty tight in there. They never really sit right because of the angle of these, but YOLO. You don't need those where we're going anyways. Yep. How you feeling?
I'm happy.
Now for the real fun stuff. All that FDF angle. Yeah, this thing actually has like decent angle.
When it's up in the air, on the ground it's not as much.
Oh, you got a bad shock, brother.
Well, it's a good thing we're changing it.
That's right. We're gonna have to make some chassis modifications. I'm not sure Alex is aware yet.
Oh no, I know. We gotta cut.
You ready for this?
I'm ready.
Big old box of FDF race parts. Oh.
I got stickers. Those are definitely
That's real nice. It's real nice.
Look, they even give me a nice little tube.
Huh?
My Ackerman plates. Don't lose.
You don't need those. Set it and forget it.
Pretty much.
Get all this shit out of here. You know what those are?
My tie routes.
Woo! Chee!
That's our new knuckle.
Yo,
She pretty.
damn, you putting some money into this one.
A little bit. Well, not me, the girlfriend.
Shout out
She
to Peyton.
loves me.
Shout out to Peyton. Sweet. All right. Well,
God, it's so pretty.
the only thing left to do is to do it.
Let's get it done.
Oh, this fucking guy making all kinds of noise. Alright guys, so we got the rear all worked out. Alex is working on taking the sway bar off. We're not going to be able to use that with the FDF kit, as we have no mount for it on the control arms. We're going to get these A-arms off here, or the lower control arm, and then we're going to do some chassis modifications with the plasma cutter for a little more clearance. Ain't that right?
Yeah. So I get this fat bushing off.
Alright guys, so we stopped recording for a while. My phone was almost dead. We had to go to my house, pick up my Cosmos wheels, because his 17s wouldn't clear this right here. But we got one side pretty much done with a whatever alignment, getting the rack bolted back up, working on the other side. Almost there. Check the clearance on the Cosmos. 18 by 9.5 plus 10s, they fit great. Got a whatever alignment here too, but parts are on the car.
They on.
All right, so Alex is wrapping up the passenger side. Then we gotta do some kind of janky alignment, but got them pretty FDF parts, pretty BC coilovers. Yes, sir. Cosmos look good on there too. Gonna have to do something about that, but we'll figure that out after we get it aligned. Might have to make some chassis modifications. No big deal. How you feeling, bro?
Well, my lip hurts.
He punched
But other
himself in
than
the
that,
face.
I'm pretty happy.
Sweet. Well, we're gonna get back to aligning, and we'll be doing a test here soon, guys. So FDF is in, wheels are on, little ghetto alignment. Be all right for the test drives. We do have some rubbing here on the bumper, and then might have to take that guy off and see what we got. Cosmos looks sick on there though. All right, guys, we had to get in the zone, so we went to auto zone, picked up a battery. As you can see, we're gonna go test this battery out. All right, guys, so we finished up. We're testing the car. I was driving it, clutch kicked it. Something happened with the throttle, stuck to the floor. Car bounced off limiter, shut it off. I think we need a new throttle cable, but everything seems to be working just fine, other than the throttle cable. Ain't that right, Alex?
Yeah. Holy shit, you gotta move back.
Got the BCs in there. get some video for you guys soon of this thing ripping. Very similar to the car that we're going to give away. Very similar in build, that is. I'm planning to do the BC coils, welded diff, FDF. That's going to be for the giveaway car, the 2-valve. So stay tuned for that. Subscribe if you're not, because you're definitely going to have to be subscribed to have a chance of winning that car. We also have the Boundary oil pump gears giveaway coming. They're actually right here. Those will be given away on the 1st of March. So you got to be subscribed to this YouTube channel. You got to be following Boundary Pumps on Instagram. And there's one more step, and it'll be released tomorrow. So until next time, we appreciate you guys watching. Subscribe if you're not, please. Like, comment, anything helps.